the Super Flower Tower Clean Pure Extraction Method. We're going to start first with a strainer, grain alcohol, a measuring cup, and a jar that can be shaken. We're going to first start by unlatching the locking springs, removing the condensing unit, the gasket, the strainer basket and reclamation cup, and we're going to use our favorite herb to extract topical properties of fibers, resins, and or oils that could be on the top of a lot of different herbs. We're going to place approximately 1.5 ounces of herb in the jar that's going to be shaken. We're going to take the measuring cup and add 1.5 cups of grain alcohol. In doing so, we're ready to add it to the jar for the shaking method. Seal the alcohol bottle for safety measures. Now pour the grain alcohol into the jar that's going to be sealed for shaking. This is going to last approximately 10 minutes. You're going to be removing all the topical properties from the herb. After shaking for 10 minutes, we're going to place a strainer in the reservoir and a filter to strain the alcohol from the herb. Now the topical properties that have been washed off of the herb and are going to be draining through the filter to the bottom of the reservoir. Once this is accomplished, you're going to want to find a piece of cheesecloth or a very clean rag that you can actually put around the coffee filter to put a nice kung fu grip on it and squeeze the rest of the remaining alcohol from the herb. Once this has been accomplished, you can discard that herb because the washing method has been completed. It's that easy. Now you're going to remove the strainer. I'm going to show you what the alcohol oil looks like before you start the reclamation process. We're going to place the strainer basket back into the reservoir and a reclamation cup in the strainer basket. We're going to replace the seal, the condensing unit, and we're going to latch the locking springs to the unit securely. Plug in the unit and turn the unit on to 5 and start the process. This should last approximately 4 to 5 hours. You can check it after 4 and start from there. Now this starts a cleanup of the process. Go clean up and wait. Next, we're going to turn it off, unplug the unit and let it cool for approximately 30 minutes. After it's cooled, remove the locking springs, the condensing tower, the seal, and carefully remove the reclamation cup containing the alcohol. This alcohol needs to be cool for easy handling. You can reuse the alcohol on your next run. This is one of our best points on our extractor, the Super Flower Tower. When handling the alcohol, we recommend using a small funnel to pour back into the original container and cap it to be safe. This unit is all about safety and the comfort of your home or garage. Just remember to use it in a well-ventilated area because alcohol is flammable. After capping the bottle, we're going to plug the unit back in. This is what's in the reservoir. You have a combination of alcohol and your essential oil. This is just a residue. So we're going to turn the unit on to approximately 5.5, and we're going to watch the alcohol slowly leave the essential oil. This takes some time, and this is where you're going to better yourself with the procedure to make a perfect product. It takes a little time. You just watch. You'll notice it's getting thicker. The alcohol, there's just a little bit left until the oil is essentially thick to your consistency that you're used to using. And that's how simple it is with the Super Flower Tower.